Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you've got a Facebook profile and it manages a Facebook page and you'd like to change the password for that Facebook page, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I'm also going to tell you what you need to know about that password. So let's get straight into it. So one thing to note is that if you want to try and change the password of your page, you can actually only do so with the main account. So for example, this is my page over here, right? I'm now switching to my page, and if I go into settings, I won't actually be able to find any settings related to password change. But if you are on your page and you go down to settings and privacy and then tap on settings, right at the top you will have the option to switch to your main account. So you want to say switch profile and switch now, and this essentially will switch you to your main profile and you'll get the Meta account setter settings. Right at the top you can see password and security, and under account settings you'll see password and security again. Right here at the top you'll see change password, and here you can choose the account that you're going to change your password for. So as you can see over here, I've got my main profile and then I've got my main Instagram profile, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the Facebook page. So if you enter your current password and then your new password and retype it, you're going to now go ahead and tap on change password over here at the bottom, and this will now change your password for your main account but also for your Facebook page that main account is managing.